So we're going to go over something a little different. This is a build it yourself kit that it was available on, it still is available on Amazon. It's about 35 bucks. It's your build your custom pinball. It's all made of wood, punch out pieces, pieced together. I'm going to show you what's left of the box and what came in the box in the booklet. This is a serious build. This took my son and my brother about 3.5 hours, and the guy's literally an engineer. So give yourself a few minutes if you're building this thing. It's a serious commitment. 3 hours for him. It could take 5. It could take 2. I can't think that you're going to get done much quicker than him, but you could. So we're going to go over what's in the box, and then we'll show the built result. This is to give you an idea how much stuff was actually in the build. So this is the booklet. It looks like a Lego booklet. That's a lot going on. And it reads like an engineer's diagram. So 145 pages of build. And we are not talking an easy build. So to give you an idea, I can't remember how many, there was like 10 of those, of that. This is some of the heavier wood that was used for some build. Oh, there's 5, excuse me. We don't have them all. Here's the extra pieces for stuff that breaks. They give you extra O-rings and stuff like that for things that break over time. It's actually, for the price and the value, I think you get a lot for the value. And then all that. So, and then we'll bring over the unit and show you what the actual build looks like. So this is the finished product. So as you can see, there's a lot of detail to this, a lot of playfield. The playfield was pretty impressive. You got parts that pop out, got balls that go over there, you got the launcher thingy, you got flippers that actually flip like a pinball machine. And then in the booklet at the back page, it explains gravity, it explains why stuff does certain things, why it's stored energy, all these kind of things. The back half of the booklet is really good for knowledge base about how things work and how gravity works and momentum and all those kind of things. So we're going to play it for a minute. I'm not particularly amazing at this, but we'll kind of show you how it works. Because I think for 35 bucks, this is a really impressive build and idea. It's fantastic for learning. The build is a build. This is not a 5-minute build. Like I said, it took 3 hours, and the guy's an engineer that helped him. And there was some really deep reading and thought going on. So I'm telling you, it's not for the faint of heart, but it's got some payoff time. You got some really good time with your kids. My boy's 10, brother's 40. So it really took them a bit to figure it out to build it. A couple times they had to tear down and rebuild, but they didn't get too far into that before that happened, when they figured out they put something together wrong. But they did an epic job, and I was very impressed with the learning experience it was for both of them in that regard. So anyway, so we're going to play it for a minute and show you. So regular marbles are your pinball balls. First one goes in there. Boop, you launch it, and then boom, shooting stuff. You got to give it some. Oh, and I lost. Okay, so round 2. Fight. And as you see, stuff moves around. It does its thing. You really got it. Boop, there goes another one. I don't know. He's somewhere over there. Regular pinball, I'm actually quite good at. My wife's over pinball real quick when we play. So. That. And then the cool thing is when you reset it, drop your balls down. I think I'm missing one somewhere. Goes back in there. And then you just keep going. Although you're supposed to put the parts back in for the reset. And you see how certain things move, certain things trigger. There's really quite a bit of thought that went into this thing. So, hence why it's a lot of build. That went somewhere. I don't know. So we'll find those in a minute. So, no, there's 2 of them in there. And as you see, you hit there, this goes over, drops one over there, goes down the chute. You pull that up, put that in there. This one, as you go, they come down here. Every time you hit this Dilly Wonker back here, or this guy here. Oh, it's this guy here. And then it pushes one over to say, okay, you got a point there. The orange things go there, which I think they're all over the place right now. The launch guide. All in all, for 35 bucks, I feel this is a really cool thing. This is even a good thing for an adult to learn how to follow instruction and build, young adult especially. So it's on Amazon. It's still available. It's not a big deal to find it. Just be aware. It's it's a beast of a build. I was very impressed they got it built, and they built it right. It was a very nice job. And then, as you can see, it's pretty sturdy. I mean, we should have done this already, but turn it around. Let's take a look. I mean, there's reinforcement all over the place. It's built well. And the flippers. So, if you got someone that's an aspiring engineer, I feel like this is a really good pickup. And that's just my my thoughts. I thought it was really good. It's also a good bonding experience for someone that has patience and kid. I'm not the best person as far as building this. I can do Legos, but this is a little beyond my Lego expertise. So I'm very impressed. Brandon did a great job helping Lincoln. Brandon is his uncle. Lincoln, my 10-year-old. They did an amazing job, and there's no issues with it. They did a really good build. Very proud of them for having that bonding time. So it's Mike from the Rabbit Hole. If you want it, it's on Amazon. It's called Smartivity Pinball, and it's $35, and I feel like it's pretty good value for your money.